Hi, this is Mrs. Russell, and I'm here to walk you through Powerschool Learning so that you guys will be able to access everything that we're doing in class when you're actually not sitting in the classroom. So Powerschool Learning used to be named Haiku, but it went through a buyout, so Powerschool Learning is technically what Haiku was last year. We're going to be using this immensely. And my expectation is that you would be checking Powerschool Learning at least once a week, if not every day, to find resources and homework and documents that you're going to need. Right now I'm looking at my Powerschool Learning page, and it might look a little different from yours because I am in teacher view. I did want to show you how it's going to be set up so that you can find everything that you need so you can feel successful in this science course. So as you can see, this is the home page. The home page is always going to be on the top. On the home page, you're going to find my contact information. I have my email address as well as my phone. Now, my class phone doesn't actually ring to alert me when I have a caller, so email is the best way to reach me. If you have a question or a comment or you need help, please don't hesitate to email me and I will respond to you as timely as possible. Also, you'll find links for the Kincaid Middle School Twitter, our personal classroom Twitter, and the Kincaid Middle School Instagram. To the right-hand side, you have the syllabus that I've already done a previous video on. You have the lab safety contract, which doesn't need to be signed. You can just read it to yourself. You also have some helpful links. For instance, the Kincaid website where you can find the lunch menu, the portals for different things. We also have the middle school library, so you can find different resources through that. And Veracross, which is going to house all of your grades. So Haiku is for everything else except grading. Veracross is for grading. Over to the left, you'll see how I've structured each unit. Here I have Unit 1, and if you open up this tab, you can see every single week is underneath. I've chosen to do the weeks by date so that it's easy to follow, and if you had absences, you could go back and see which weeks you'd be missing. If you click on Unit 1, it's going to upload a Unit 1 overview. Unit 1 is titled Nature of Science as well as Controlled Experiments. So you can see right in the middle we have a summary of what kinds of things we'll be covering. Over to the right we have learning objectives listed out, and then at the bottom we have the readings. I've mentioned in my earlier video on the syllabus that you guys won't be using the textbook until Unit 2. So these are from our textbook and you can refer back to them throughout Unit 1. Very important is the table of contents over here to the right. If you click to open this up, the table of contents will appear. I will be updating this as we go, and it is your responsibility to have this updated as well so you can stay organized and stay focused and prepared to learn. Going back, we can actually click on this upcoming week, and at the top you can see it's always going to be posted that these are our agenda items and our goals. Science is flexible, learning is flexible. Sometimes we're able to get to things, sometimes not so much. So up here is to remind you that this is tentative and that this is what we are hoping to accomplish, but it may not always be the case. If you scroll down, you can see Tuesday. Today's Tuesday if you're watching this for homework, so congratulations. You've done the introductions in the class, you did our color rules, and you did a team building exercise. For homework, we have watched the videos. Here's the syllabus. I haven't posted the Haiku video yet, but it will be there and you would have clicked on it. If you scroll down, you can see tomorrow's objectives. We're going to have observation versus inferencing. We're also going to be going through a fossil track PowerPoint to again reinforce observations and inferences. I've also posted homework. What is science to you? It says check notebooks so that it's up to date and in order, again with that TOC, and check the TOC to make sure you have it updated as well. Now, let's just say something crazy happened and you weren't able to come to school tomorrow. Here I've attached the observation and inferences PowerPoint that we're going to be doing in class. So if you click the link, you are actually able to view exactly what we've been doing in class. Now, you may not know exactly what was done because this is a template, but you can come to tutorials and receive help, and I'll be more than happy to help you. All of your homework will be posted online as well as given to you in class for Unit 1. Unit 2, it will all be online. You just click here and you can print it out at school, you can print it out at home, and then turn it in. So Powerschool Learning is very powerful. It has everything that you would ever want or need. So this is just a brief overview on Powerschool Learning, and I'm sure it will make more sense in the future as you grow accustomed to it. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concern. but hopefully this helped and you'll be able to navigate this as we go through earth science together.